Do you know the difference between people who dream and people who win? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's just 5 seconds. Yes, 5 seconds can change your entire life. Think about it. Every time you want to take action, whether it's speaking up in class, starting that workout, or making that scary decision, your brain hesitates. And in that hesitation, doubt creeps in. Fear takes over. And just like that, the moment is gone. But there's a secret. If you move within 5 seconds, your brain doesn't have time to talk you out of it. This is called the 5-second rule. Here's how it works. The second you feel the urge to act on a goal, you start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And then you move. You speak. You take the step. No hesitation, no overthinking. Why does this work? Because it interrupts the habit of fear and creates momentum. Action beats doubt, and momentum builds confidence. You want to wake up early? Don't think. Count down and get out of bed. You see an opportunity to talk to someone? Count down and walk over. You're about to skip the gym? Count down and put on your shoes. Small actions, massive results. Most people wait for confidence before they act. But confidence doesn't come first. Action does. And the 5-second rule forces you to act before fear has a chance to kill your courage. So remember this. Your life doesn't change in years. It changes in seconds. 5 seconds of courage can start a business, change your body, save a relationship, or create a future you didn't think was possible. Next time you feel stuck, don't wait. Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. And if you're ready to transform your life one habit at a time, hit subscribe right now, because the next 5 seconds might just change everything for you.